If you want to change the background in CapCut on PC or Mac, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to remove the original background from your video and replace it with a new image or video background inside CapCut Desktop. This is perfect for making your edits look more professional, more creative, and much more polished without needing advanced editing skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open CapCut Desktop on your PC or Mac. Once CapCut loads, start a new project or open the project you want to edit. The first thing you need is your main video clip, so import the video you want to work on. You can usually do this by dragging the file into CapCut or using the Import Media option in the app. After your video is imported, drag it down onto the timeline. This is where you'll be able to edit everything more easily and see your changes in real time. Make sure your clip is placed correctly on the main video track so you can work with it properly. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This is an important step because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. Once the clip is selected, look over to the right-hand panel. Here, you should see your video editing options. Go to the video section and then find the Remove BG option. Inside Remove BG, remove BG, turn on Auto Removal. CapCut will then automatically detect the subject in your video and remove the background for you. This is the key step that makes the background replacement possible. Depending on your video, this may take a moment to process, so give it a second to work. Once the background is removed, the next step is to add your new background. Import the image or video you want to use as your replacement background. This could be a solid color background, a scenic image, a branded backdrop, or even another video if you want something more dynamic. After importing it, drag the new background down onto the track below your main clip. If you're working in CapCut, this is usually the track underneath your subject layer, often the V1 track or the layer beneath the cutout subject. Placing the background underneath is what makes it appear behind your subject instead of covering them. Now, you may need to adjust the size and position of either the background or your main clip so everything looks right. Click the background if needed and scale it to fill the frame. You can also move it around to make sure it fits your scene properly. If your subject looks too large or too small, you can adjust that too until the composition looks clean and natural. Take a moment to preview the result. This helps you check whether the subject is properly separated from the old background and whether the new background looks balanced. If something looks off, go back and tweak the positioning or the background fit until it looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background in CapCut on PC and Mac. With just a few steps, you can turn an ordinary clip into something much more eye-catching and professional. This technique is great for content creators, tutorial videos, social media content, and any edit where you want more control over the scene. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.